Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you 10 important anatomy and medical terminology questions. These are repeated questions. Let's start. The first question, name the bones that make up the fingers of the hand and the toes of the foot. I have directly mentioned the answer. The answer is phalanges. These are the bones that make up the fingers of the hand and toes of the foot. You can find the answer in your ICD 10cm manual under anatomical illustrations. You can see the diagram. They have given phalanges, that is, you can see the bones that make up the fingers are phalanges and the bones that make up the toes of the foot are also phalanges. In this diagram also you can see the bones of the fingers are phalanges, and in this diagram also you can see the toes of the foot are phalanges. Next question, which system transmits tears from the surface of the eye to the nasal cavity? And the answer is lacrimal duct system. I have directly mentioned the answers. In your exam you will have 4 options. Third question, name the procedure performed on the eardrum to relieve pressure caused by excessive fluid buildup in the middle ear, and the answer is myringotomy. Myringo means eardrum and otomy means making an incision. Next question, what is the medical term for surgical reconstruction or reshaping the nose? The answer is rhinoplasty. The term rhino means nose, plasty means repair. Next question, what is the medical term for hives? And the answer is urticaria. So that is a skin rash with red itchy bumps as a result of allergic reactions of the body. Sixth question, what is dacrocystitis? And the answer is inflammation of the lacrimal sac. The term dacrocyst refers to tear sac or lacrimal sac, and itis means inflammation. Next question, the spleen belongs to which system? And the answer is lymphatic system. Eighth question, where is the Warthin's tumor found? Answer, Warthin's tumor is found in parotid gland, which is a salivary gland located in the cheek. Next question, what is trichomycosis? And the answer is bacterial infection of the hair shaft. 10th question, name the fibrous connective tissue that connects muscles to bones. And the right answer is tendons. The fibrous connective tissue that connects bones to bones are ligaments.